Hello everyone and welcome to the LearnInStudy.com where the learning never stops. This is an introductory course on machine learning. Today we will be talking about the machine learning type that is unsupervised learning. Let's start with that. Unsupervised learning involves training by using unlabeled data and allowing the model to act on that information without guidance. Think of unsupervised learning as a smart kid that learns without any guidance. In this type of machine learning, the model is not fed with labeled data, as in the model has no clue that this image is Tom and this is Jerry. It figures out patterns and the differences between Tom and Jerry on its own by taking in tons of data. For example, it identifies prominent features of Tom such as pointy ears, bigger size, etc., to understand that this image is of type 1. Similarly, it finds such features in Jerry and knows that this image is of type 2. Therefore, it classifies the images into two different classes without knowing who Tom is or Jerry is. Mathematically, unsupervised learning is where you only have input data, x, and no corresponding output variables. The goal for unsupervised learning is to model the underlying structure or distribution in the data in order to learn more about the data. Let me rephrase it for you in simple terms. In the unsupervised learning approach, the sample of a training dataset does not have an expected output associated with them. Using the unsupervised learning algorithms, you can detect patterns based on the typical characteristics of the input data. Clustering can be considered as an example of machine learning task that uses the unsupervised learning approach. The machine then groups similar data samples and identify different clusters within the data. Now let me tell you why this category of machine learning is known as unsupervised learning. Well, this category of machine learning is known as unsupervised because unlike supervised learning there is no teacher. Algorithms are left on their own to discover and return the interesting structure in the data. Use cases. A friend invites you to his party where you meet totally strangers. Now you will classify them using unsupervised learning, that is, no prior knowledge, and this classification can be on the basis of gender, age group, dressing, educational qualification or whatever way you would like. Since you didn't have any prior knowledge about people and so you just classified them on the go. Let's suppose you have never seen a football match before and by chance watch a video on internet. Now you can classify players on the basis of different criterion, like players wearing the same sort of kits are in one class. Players of one style are in one class, that is, players, goalkeeper, referee. Or on the basis of playing style, that is, attacker or defender, or whatever way you would observe, you can classify it. So here I guess you understand well today about the supervised learning. So we will meet with reinforcement learning in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.